Hello, welcome back to this Express.js tutorial. Today I want to talk about security headers or Helmet.js in specific. So this is an additional measurement you can take to tell the browser how it should behave in cases of request or response. To generally just reduce the danger of attacks such as injection or cross or XSS. This is just a really easy way to reduce your risks. So security headers, they just influence how a browser will behave toward content it receives. So how is it allowed to work? How is it allowed to interpret certain types of information and code or inputs? This will not change your backend logic in any kind of way. This will just change how the browser is allowed to work on or to work with user input. So if you want to use Helmet.js in your Express application, you need to include the modules in your project with require Express and require Helmet, and then create a application for Express. And if you're just interested in the basic usage, then you only need to use app.use Helmet. This is already a strong security measurement that will highly reduce your risk. But you can also do some customization with the security. I can show you now how. So then you will need to use a Helmet with the different parameters you can use. So for example, the content security policy, you have the directives, and you can decide where, for example, script source, where the JavaScript you execute can come from. So only from your own server, or from an unsafe inline, or from only your trusted domain. So you can decide where the JavaScript comes from. This default source, it only allows resources from your own domain. Here, script source only from your own domain, JavaScript, where JavaScript comes from, or some other domain, or the specific domain. Sometimes this is a little bit risky if you define that a user can input into a line JavaScript, but sometimes it is required, so here it is also used in this example. So here you have frame guard action deny. So this denies the option of clickjacking. So your website cannot be loaded into an iframe on a different website where it is used to hide some invisible buttons. So it is exploited for some other usage. This denies it. And here this HSTS, it forces the browser to only accept HTTPS requests, and makes it all more secure for your usage. So if you want to make your application more secure, use the Helmet module. You can customize your settings depending on your requirements, or just use it. Use the default options is also good and will also help you, but everybody has some different requirements. But keep in mind to make your headers more secure.